Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snowball Fight Gigi from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing two curves across for the bottom of the hat. And then close off each end with a curve. Now for the top of the hat, let's step in slightly and let's draw two curves up. And a curve across the top. Now top down and let's draw a curve down and in on each side. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Near the top, let's draw two lines across, leaving a small gap in the center. Now on top, let's step in at the center and let's draw two curves up, and the same on the outside. And now let's thicken up each of the straight lines. And then add a curve underneath for the shape of the eyes. And let's thicken each of these lines up as well. Next, let's hop in and let's draw another curve at the top. And color these both in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw two lines underneath for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down and up in the center for the mouth. And let's thicken this line up as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. On each side, let's draw a curve down and in. And then two bumps across to close it off. Next, underneath on each side, we're going to draw the arms. Let's start with a curve down, in towards the center, like this. And let's bring it down on the outside as well. And close off the bottom of each sleeve. Now for the bottom part of the sleeves, let's draw two lines down on each side. And a curve across. Then let's hop in and let's draw some stripes. And that's it for the sleeves. Now to close off the bottom of the sweater, let's hop in between and let's draw two curves at the bottom here. And add stripes as well. Now that we have the shape of the sweater, let's hop in and let's draw the details. Let's start inside the middle section and let's draw a line across at the bottom. And then let's add the snowman. Let's start with a circle on top on the right. And then another smaller one on top for the head. Now on the left, let's draw a point out and back in for the nose. And then for the hat, let's draw a line on top, thicken it up slightly. Then let's add a rectangle shape on top. And color it in black. Now let's add some small circles around for the snowflakes. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the details on the sleeves. Let's draw a bump up in the center. And then a bump out on each side. Now in the top part, let's draw some circles for the snowflakes. And that's it for the sweater. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then let's bring it down. Now let's hop out and let's do the same thing. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and back in. And lastly, let's add a curve across inside. And that's it for Gigi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!